Hello again! What's in my magic box? Urgent solution needed, no Easter egg cups. Voila! Join me getting out of this emergency the day before Easter. I mark diagonally the center of the block. Fix the piece tight to the drill table. Off we go drilling the hole. Oops, it's a bit small, or the egg too big. The other way around would be problematic. Anyway, that's in woodworking an easy fix. Cleaning the drill press. Tea time. Then sanding. Starting with 120 grain used sandpaper, finish with 180 will do the job nice and neat. My self-made dust collector is very useful for such works and made in a minute or two. Well, fast. Sanding takes most of the time. A friendly attitude towards repeated movements helps. Also some tea. Don't forget to smooth the edges just a tiny little bit. Too much is always too much. The result of that part will be obvious in the next step, surface treatment. I take regular walnut oil from my kitchen cabinet. A soft tissue to massage the oil into all surfaces is enough you need. No hand protection for me, as it's edible cooking oil. This is the nicest moment for me in woodworking. The real beauty of the wood comes alive. My Maleus art hammers come in handy. You might want to have a look in my other videos what I normally do with them. No worries, I'm not going to produce my own walnut oil. Where did we stop? Finally remove any leftover oil and we go to my studio's second floor to enjoy the result of all the work. A fresh self-baked bread on Easter Sunday. What can be better? Time to use my hammers again. They have been welded together and used by migrant workers from any scrap metal they find on site in order to get their jobs done. Opening one egg by the other using different hammers, the stories of the persons handing me their tools come immediately back to my mind. Finally some salt and pepper. Bon appetit! I wish you all happy Easter, and for my friends with other cultural backgrounds, enjoy your Sunday, wherever that might be. Thank you for watching. See you soon.